looking at a 2005 Chevrolet pickup truck here with a 6.0 engine. I'm going to show you just a couple things on this. So on this one, this thing had a real bad oil leak, and it was coming from, and jump up in here, this is the engine oil pan, this is the transmission right here, and the oil was coming from between these. Now this truck's transmission was out, so we pulled the transmission and sent it out and had it rebuilt, and we were going to replace the seal that's between this oil pan and transmission. It's called a rear main seal. But when we got in there, that's not where it was leaking at. So it came down to, we had to replace what's called the oil pan gasket. So this pan had to come off. I'm going to swing around here real quick, show you more of it. So this is the oil pan, this whole assembly here, and there's a gasket between it and the engine block. So we pulled all that down. The problem is, you see these mounting bolts right here. There's actually this is actually a four-wheel drive truck. So there's the front axle. There's the other axle right next to me. And those axles bolt up to what's called, I'll jump over here to the workbench, bolt up to what's called a differential. And this is what transmits the power to the front wheels. So unfortunately, this turned into quite the job, because this whole differential has to come out, swing back to the truck here, just to get to this oil pan to fix the gasket. And unfortunately on this truck, he uses it for snow plowing, and literally the oil was just pouring out of it, so we had to do it.